Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the room reveal, the classroom, and this is how it turned out. We did have to add another AC unit here because this is an old room. So we only had this window unit over here, but it wasn't enough. So yeah, so this is our little bookshelf with all of basic supplies and needs. These are extra stuff. These are our vacuums, and yeah. So I think it turned out pretty good. We did buy a TV for them to watch. We do have a restroom over there. So this is our finished classroom tour, and this is for online learning. We do have some bean bags over here. I ended up buying this foam mat thing. And this is how it looks like from this side. So we do have blankets and pillows for our reading time here. And over there we have our kinder and our first grader. We have second grade, third grade, second grade. This will be second grade, and second grade. Like I said, we are hosting, or not hosting, but we are helping some of my daughter's friends out because their parents are essential workers. So we are, lending a hand. But I am super, super happy of how this room turned out. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which part is your favorite. So this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am in love with our little classroom. The kids, we already started online classes since Tuesday. And the kids love this room. So we're super excited about this, and they're excited. And they just love this little classroom we decorated for them, and that just makes them feel more in an actual classroom setting and more excited to be coming to school. But this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and find some cute ideas for your little classroom at home. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below and I will try to answer you. I will also try to link some of the stuff that I have here. I know most of the stuff here I bought at Target, like I showed you in the last video, and except for two of the items, which is this mat. I will link it down below, and these little circle streamers, those we bought from Amazon, so I will link those in the description box down below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye.